Hey guys, my name is Zakina. Welcome to our channel, Bit Tech Career Guide. It's been ages, right? So I was a bit busy in enhancing myself, and then the things doesn't go as we think, right? So it's been a different path so far. Anyways, from today I'll be making videos on YouTube. So you might have seen we are posting the short videos just to make you engage in our YouTube channel and then Instagram. So we have enhanced our posting too. So we have enhanced our the post, how we gonna detailedly tell you like which job you're going to apply by the new template, the look, the job, the company is hiring for software developer batch, the CTC and the location will be placed in cards here, and you can directly scan the QR code or you can directly copy and paste in the next step to apply for this particular job. Okay, initially we used to have this template, but somehow later we thought that okay, this design is not working as much we expected, so we have moved to the another design, though this is the new design. And I wish all the people to do support us so that we can grab you more jobs that you can get most benefit from. Okay. So why I'm speaking bit slow is like most of the people have asked me to speak bit slow, which is very difficult for me to figure out the words, uh, each and every word. Anyhow, let us see how I can make this in this video. Okay. And this is our YouTube channel, still going at 3.42k subscribers. That's actually very good. And it's been a slow phase after I stopped the video making, but anyhow, uh, we'll catch up, the things as soon as possible. Okay. And the shots, same as we, let me view this side, the same as the designs. You can just grab the shots and then you can apply for the particular role. You can scan the QR code, as simple as that. You can apply on your phone itself. Okay, so here are the job postings for today, which I brought you for today. So which is from the Copart. They have released software engineer role, which is a full time, and then the responsibilities includes the collaborate with senior engineers to build an enhanced web application based on prioritized business outcomes, and write clean, efficient, and reusable code using the React, Node.js, and related framework, and the best practices using the CI/CD, GitHub, and Git and all. And mostly you need to familiarize with this RESTful APIs using Node.js and Express.js. Okay, and gain an understanding of microservices architecture and learn to work with the team existing code base. And qualification, mostly very much important: fundamental foundation in JavaScript, TypeScript, React.js, Node.js, basic knowledge of SQL and database queries, MariaDB, willingness to adapt to changes, demonstrating a growth mindset and desire to learn, strong problem solving skills, attention to detail, and committed to writing clean, manageable code. Okay, so as simple as that. And in case if you are interested, just click on apply for this particular job and then fill the rest of the application. Okay, so the next company, which is from Doxin. Actually, this particular role is for cities around 30 to 50 lakhs per annum. If you find suitable, then go and apply for this particular job. So they have released software engineer, commerce, front end, marketing, and communication. The location is Bangalore. I will be skipping all this part, and then responsibilities includes design and develop high quality user focused experience. We currently use C Sharp, React.js, and Node.js, which means a .NET framework. Anyway, so build, maintain, and scale a sorry. Build, maintain, and scale a robust UI and microservices. Write clean, maintainable, and well documented code following industry best practices. Work within an agile development environment, leveraging best practices like CI/CD pipeline, automation testing, and efficient code reviews. So recently, what was happening is like we developers are writing the automation test cases. So that's a new what we call new update that most of the people are bringing in. Like we need to write our own automation script when we develop a feature. So make sure that you learn one of the automation framework. As we do is like we use Playwright for writing the test cases. We do write the unit test case and feature test cases when we develop a feature, but apart from that, we also need to develop the automation test cases for the work we do. Okay, and I'll be skipping all this, but that's not required. And hybrid, so employee divide the time between in-office and remote access. Access to an office location is required frequently, minimum 2 days per week. May may vary by team, but will be weekly in office exception expectations. Okay, so per week you need to attend the office for 2 days. That's it. And then the basic requirements are bachelor's degree must, and then 2+ years of professional experience in backend and front-end development, specializing C Sharp, React, Node.js ecosystems, and user-facing application. Proven track record of developing and shipping high scalable customer-facing web application. Experience you working in agile environment, utilizing best practices for version control, Git, CI/CD workflows, and automation testing. Preferred next year's, and then RESTful APIs, the cloud-based infrastructure Azure, and then strong understanding of web accessibility A11Y. Nothing but these are the 11 things. Okay, 11Y, and then international A18N, and then N8N, N8, and then N. So they are different type of experimental framework, and the knowledge of growth experiment, A/B testing strategies, and data-driven UI optimization and all. Okay, so in case if you are interested for this particular job, just click on apply here. Isn't it recording? Yeah. And it shows the rest of the application in where the screen is not loading. Yeah, so here you go. Just fill your just type your email address and then fill the rest of the application. Okay, so the next company is from Athenahealth. They have released software developer AMTS. Okay, so AMTS stands for associate member of technical staff, and here you go. So associate member of technical staff AI, AMTS for backend engineer. Organization Antenna IT, Productivity Solution Zone, Bangalore, Whitefield, and the work experience should be 6 months to 2 years of experience. The role summary at AMTS backend engineer, you will be design, build, operate Node.js, Express.js services that power internal workflows and automation. You will use Redis for performance, state management, MongoDB and PostgreSQL for data modeling and transaction needs, DynamoDB for high scale, low latency, access patterns, and apply fundamentals. AWS concepts to deploy secure and observe scenarios in production. No. So this key responsibility: design, implement, maintain RESTful APIs, microservices using Node.js and Express.js, uh, model and optimize data across Polyglot storage, MongoDB, Postgres, DynamoDB for everything, and then the code quality through unit and integration testing, code reviews, and CI/CD practices. And AWS is must. Most of the companies are asking for developers to have the knowledge on the cloud. Okay, required qualification. You need to be proficient in JavaScript, TypeScript, Node.js, and Express.js. Hands-on experience with React, Redis, catching key design, PubSub queries, MongoDB, DynamoDB. RESTful API is must, and experience with Git and Git CI/CD pipelines. And then prefer qualification, TypeScript for service deployment and shared libraries, experience with asynchronous processing, background jobs, and workflow orchestration, familiarity with message queues, brokers, and event-driven patterns, infrastructure as a code, Terraform or cloud formation, and fundamental DevOps practices. I was skipping that anyway. So these are the things that they are asking. In case if you are interested, just click on apply now at the bottom of the page and fill the rest of the application, guys. Okay, so that you'll be applying for this particular job. And so your information, your experience, application question, additional application questions, voluntary disclosures, and then review, and then submit for that. Okay, so the next company is from Nike. They have released software engineer software engineer one for ITC. The software engineer, and then location is Karnataka, Bangalore, same. So, interestingly, let us go into the main part. So, undergraduate degree in computer science, and then 1 year of professional experience in software engineering. 1 year of software engineering experience. So, strong problem solving and analytical mindset. I was skipping all this. Like you need to have HTML, CSS, JavaScript, which is must, and the infrastructure as a code, GitHub's workflow, the CI/CD pipelines and all. So explain familiarity with the containerization, Docker, CI/CD pipelines, industry instrumental standards, OTEL tools, Splunk, and dependency management tools. Examples, UV. And all this you can skip all this familiarity with enterprise authentication authorization protocols, OAuth, OIDC, Okta, or similar SSO platforms. Remove all this. Mostly they are asking you to have some knowledge of this agentic AI, develop agentic workflows and AI LLM powered enterprise application, build SDKs, APIs, and microservices to support enterprise wide application and all. Okay, if you are interested for this role, click on apply now. Ta-dang, ta-dang, ta-dang. Boom. So start your application and apply for this. Like, and then next company is from Ciena. Okay, Ciena. So they have released embedded software engineer for new grad, and I'll be skipping most of the part because it's already same for everything. So bachelor's degree in electronic and communication or computer science, both branches can apply for this particular job. Minimum 1+ years of experience in embedded framework development, experience in Linux driver middleware development or for embedded platforms, proven diagnostic and software design, coding, debugging, and testing skills, significant experience developing low-level drivers or diagnostics for datacom network platform. And I still have familiarity with ONT, PON, GPON technologies. Sorry, it's PON, OMCI stack, and this some numbers. Okay, so extends with network process, MACS, control process, physical layers, TDM, IC2, sorry, I2C, and then SerDes devices. I don't know about the CC wordings and all. Just click on apply now, adds a work day. It would be asking most of the questions. Just fill this to apply for this particular job. The last one, which is from Argona, they have released intern contract Oracle CPP QS/CX. And the key responsibilities includes collaborating with the team member to understand requirements and deliver solutions. You will work closely with our development team to design, build, and maintain software applications that deliver real value to our clients. Learn and adapt to new tools, frameworks, and technologies as required. Requires skills and qualification, bachelor's degree in computer science at your related field in 2024, 2025, 2026 batches. Proficiency in at least one programming language, C, Java, Python, and write clean, efficient code in C, Java, and Python. Good verbal and written communication skills, basic understanding of data structures, algorithm, and OOPS concepts that are must for everyone. So, in case if you are interested, just click on apply now for this particular job too, and you do the rest of the process. And that's it in this video, guys. We'll be coming up with more uh, more playlist. So initially we started our Python playlist in Telugu, and we expected that we'll be reaching a couple of uh, we do have some expectation, right? We didn't have that much reach on this particular playlist, so we have just stopped on that. And mostly the people are asking like individual concepts, so I'll be driving on a few individual concepts like time complexity and space complexity that most of the people have asked me to explain in detail. So I'll be making some time to explain that too. Okay, and in case if you need anything from our channel, be take it either in English or Telugu or Hindi, so any language I can explain. So just ping us. We'll be taking it from there. Anyway, so that's it in this video, guys. Till then, have a great day. Bye bye.